My name is Kyle Greenland. I'm currently studying Medical Biosciences at Imperial College London. I studied my Welsh Bac at Hailey Comprehensive School in Bargoed, and I also did chemistry, biology and maths at A-level. Welsh Bac for me was quite different from the other subjects that I was studying, so chemistry and biology and maths were very black and white answers, but Welsh Bac gave me the opportunity to explore different things, learn in a different way and be assessed in a different way. The transferable skills I've learned are essential in every day, so the organisation, the planning ahead, the dealing with deadlines. A lot of my in-course assessments are essay-based and extended writing. Welsh Bac gave me the opportunity to continue to improve my extended writing skills. My course is very teamwork based, which is quite unusual for an undergraduate course. But because I had those teamwork skills that I'd gained from Welsh Bac, I may have had an advantage against people who had maybe just done chemistry, biology and maths and had learned in isolation. One of my community modules, we were able to arrange a coffee morning. That was a really great initiative and we all did that as a team. I'm definitely glad and grateful that I did the Welsh Bac. The transferable skills I've gained will benefit me for the rest of my life. I feel like I've gained the confidence almost to work in any team, and having that footing and that grounding, that's allowed me to excel at university.